Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is my full review of the Ritz Gear Mini Tripod. Alright? So, maybe you're new here or maybe you're returning, but typically how my review process goes is I shoot my unboxing and first impressions video, and once I feel like I got a handle on everything that I want to talk about with you guys and gals, then it's full review time. So without further ado, let's jump into this full review. Alright, now starting off, the first thing I want to talk about with you guys and gals is the overall build quality and design of the tripod itself. Now, starting off with the overall build quality, I have to say this tripod is really, really good in terms of the overall build quality. Now, it's sturdy, but there's no rattling or creaking of any kind. Once you got it set up the way you want, it just works. Let me angle this up some, because I'm using a wider angle today, so I'm having some issues. So yeah, once you got it set up the way you want, and you have whatever you're trying to mount on it, it just works. And overall, I have to say that the build quality on it is really, really good. So in terms of the overall build quality, this little tripod is top notch. Next, let's talk about the overall design. Now this tripod here is a tabletop style tripod. So with the tabletop style tripods, you can see it has that nice low center of gravity. So the legs spread out really, really wide, so it can balance out the weight of whatever you put on it. We're going to talk about compatible things in a minute. But the overall design of this tripod is quite nice. And not only does it have a fully adjustable ball head here, which you can lock into place however you would like, but you can also remove the ball head and mount up things as well. So if you want a nice, stable, stationary shot at a specific angle, you just remove the ball head and you mount up what you need and you're good to go. So in terms of the overall design, I like what Ritz Gear has done here because they've added a lot of versatility with the stationary design or adding in the ball head for the different styles of angles. So really, really good stuff there. Alright, so in terms of the design aspects of this mini tripod, again, it is really good and top notch. And if you just want to put it back on, just got to screw it back on here and you're in business. Alright, so just like that, couple seconds, and we back to how we came out the box. Now, let's go over some portable devices and the overall ease of use. So as you guys and gals can see, this tripod actually comes with two regular style threads, so you can mount up just about anything you could think of. You can mount up smartphone clamps of different varieties. You can mount up grips, and again, smartphone clamps of different varieties. You can mount up microphones, as you see here, and it's pretty much just like I demonstrated when you taking the tripod apart. You just choose what you want and screw it on. So give me a second here. Let me show you how this would look. So I just picked my grip up, and now it's screwed on, and now I'm in business. So if I was going to record with one of my smart devices, put my grip on with my smartphone mount on it, and now we're in business. Oops, bumpy cam. Or let's say I was going to use a different style of mount, but I wanted to mount up a microphone or some lights. In this instance, I don't have any lights around, but I do have my microphone. So you can see I could take my BOYA mic here and just mount this up. So give me a second, let me show you. And within seconds, I can mount up whatever I would like. And the neat thing with this is, again, I have that versatility of the ball head, or if it's something like a microphone, I could take off the ball head and just leave it with the stationary approach. So, like, let's say I wanted to record like a podcast, or I just wanted to do some audio recording, then I can use this here, just like that. And now I have like a stationary microphone that I could just put close to my mouth and talk. Or if I wanted to give it that more traditional microphone look, so if I wanted to close it up and walk around with it, we could do it like this. So, yeah, really good stuff and extremely versatile. So I could mount up microphones, I could mount up smartphone mounts, I could even mount up my different style of rigs here, and we're good to go. So in terms of the overall device compatibility, anything that takes a regular thread, you can use with this tripod, whether it be, like I said, lights, smartphone mounts, microphones, anything that takes your traditional thread will work with this tripod. And you got a bunch of compatible stuff that go along with that. And it also brings with it a bunch of different styles of versatility for whatever you're trying to get done, whether it be lighting, whether it be audio, whether it be video. This tripod is going to serve you well, and it is extremely easy to use. As you guys and gals saw, I can switch between the different things within seconds and be ready to do what I need to do. So in terms of the overall device compatibility, this tripod is top notch. In terms of the overall ease of use, because that's another important one, this tripod is also top notch. Now, let's move on now, and we're going to talk about some of the positives and the negatives of this tripod. Again, let's start off with the positives so I can sum it up. Now, positive number one is the overall build quality and design of this tripod is top notch. It actually lends itself well to a bunch of different shooting styles or just content creating styles in general. All right. It is extremely compatible with anything with a regular mounting thread. So again, it will work with grips, lights, microphones, you name it. As long as it has a basic thread, it will work. So good stuff there. And it is extremely portable and easy to use. So you could just as easily drop this into like a backpack or a back pocket and be good to go. And better yet, let me just put it together how I would use it so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Better yet, if you wanted a one-stop solution for recording, which is what I primarily picked it up for. So this is this whole rig here. And I could just as easily drop this in one of my baggy jeans pockets or put it in my backpack and be good to go, and put my smartphones in my other pockets and we're ready. And then, for instance, if I wanted to grab like a specific microphone and drop that in my backpack, we can use the BOYA here, or we can use the Movo microphone or Move microphone, which is what I'm using to record the audio for this video. Drop that in my pocket as well, drop that in my backpack, and we're good to go. So this tripod is extremely portable, extremely convenient, and extremely versatile. So that's a whole bunch of positives for you guys and gals. Now, let's talk about some negatives here. And really, in terms of negatives, there's really only two things that came to mind. Okay? Negative number one is the fact that I'm pretty much used to the button style to swivel this around. So the fact that I have a knob that I have to loosen and tighten to get the angle that I want, that's kind of a small inconvenience for me, because I'm used to the button on my Manfrotto, so I just push in the button, put it where I want, let the button go. Super convenient for me. So that's a little bit of a small negative, but it is a negative number. Nevertheless, it is a negative. Sorry, y'all. I have trouble talking today. Negative number 2 is the overall sitting style, okay? This lends itself to a few different angles, but if I want that more top-down approach, this style of sitting, the way it sits, is kind of inconvenient. So then, for instance, I would have to prop it up on something like some books or something of that nature to get that nice top-down angle that I want. So the negative number 2 is the overall sitting style with the tripod fully extended. Other than that, those are the only real 2 negatives that I can think of with this tripod, okay? Now we've reached the end of the video, and this is where I want to talk about the price and give you guys my overall thoughts and a recommendation or 2. Let me pick this up because it's kind of distracting me. Now, in terms of the price, I picked this bad boy up via Amazon, and I paid $9 after taxes. Now, this product, again, like most of the stuff that I review on the channel, was available through the Amazon Prime program. So what does that mean? This product was eligible for Prime shipping. So I am an Amazon Prime customer. That means I get free 2-day shipping on all Amazon eligible products. So this product actually came really, really quickly. So kudos to Amazon and kudos to Ritz Gear. Y'all put in some good work there. And for that price of $9, that's right, I picked this bad boy up for $9. You guys and gals are probably wondering, and I'll throw the screenshot up in post, because we keep it 100 around here. For $9, can I recommend that you guys and gals pick up this tripod? I would have to say yes. As I said throughout the video, if you're looking for a small and convenient way to be able to shoot some nice stable video on the go, it doesn't even have to be video, whether it's audio, whether you're shooting out in the field and you need something to mount up your lights on, this tripod will serve you well for all of those purposes. And at that price of $9, this is almost a definite pickup, okay? So, that pretty much does it for this review of the Ritz Gear Mini Tabletop Tripod. If you guys and gals enjoyed the video, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you would like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, if this video piqued your guys and gals' interest, all the links to where y'all can pick up this mini tripod at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description, along with all of the other stuff that I use to produce the videos on my channel. So all my different styles of tripods, microphones, mounts, the smartphones that I use to produce these videos, all that stuff will be linked up down below in the video description as well. So if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, this whole video was recorded using the rear-facing 12-megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S8, and all of the audio, as I alluded to earlier, was recorded using the Movo or Movo MA 2010 Omnidirectional microphone. So please let me know down below in the comments what you think of the overall video quality and what you think of the overall audio quality as well. That being said, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace, everyone.